Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add payment method to website in GoHighLeve. This is useful if you want to collect payments for services, appointments, digital products, consultations, deposits, event registrations, or simple online orders directly from your website. By the end, you'll know how to add a payment element to your form and connect it to a provider like Stripe, PayPal, or Authorize.net, so customers can pay you directly on your site. Instead of sending visitors to another platform or manually collecting payments later, you can make the payment process smoother and more professional right inside your GoHighLeve website. Start by signing into your GoHighLeve account and opening your location dashboard. From the main menu on the left, head to Sites. This is where all your website tools live. Inside this area, you can manage website pages, funnels, forms, surveys, and other assets that help you collect leads and convert visitors. Inside Sites, choose Forms. Forms are the easiest way to collect customer details and payments without custom code. This is helpful because you can ask for basic information like name, email, phone number, service type, or appointment details, and then collect the payment in the same form. Pick the form you want to add payments to, or create a new one if you prefer a fresh start. Choose the form that's already embedded on the page where you want to accept payments, so the change goes live exactly where your visitors expect it. For example, if you already have a booking page or service request page, adding the payment element to that existing form keeps the customer journey simple. Click the form to open it in the builder. Inside the form builder, look for Quick Add. This gives you ready-made building blocks you can drop into your layout. Quick Add saves time because you do not need to build each field manually from scratch. Find the Collect Payment element, then click and drag it onto your form where it makes the most sense, usually near the end, after you capture name and email. This element adds the secure checkout fields your customers will use. Placing it near the end works well because visitors first understand what they are submitting, provide their details, and then complete the payment as the final step. When the payment element is in place, click Connect. If you haven't linked a payment provider yet, you'll be guided to the integrations area. This step is important because the form itself collects the information, but the payment provider is what actually processes the transaction securely. Choose more providers to see all available options. Here, you can select the provider that fits your business. The right option depends on your region, your payment needs, your customer preferences, and the type of products or services you sell. Click Stripe if you want a fast, widely supported credit and debit card solution with features like subscriptions and receipts. Stripe is commonly used for online payments, service businesses, memberships, digital products, and recurring billing. Click PayPal if you want to offer PayPal wallets in addition to cards, which some customers prefer for familiarity. PayPal can be useful when your audience already trusts it or when you want to give buyers another simple checkout option. Click Authorize.net if your business already uses that gateway or needs its specific merchant settings. This can be a good choice for businesses that already have a merchant account through a bank or payment processor and want to keep using that setup. You can explore other listed providers as well to match your region and use case. Not every provider is the best fit for every business, so take a moment to choose the one that supports your currency, payment method, and checkout requirements. For the provider you choose, click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions from the provider, then return to GoHighLeve. Make sure you are signing into the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple brands, clients, or payment accounts. Once connected, the Collect Payment element in your form is ready to process transactions through that provider. This means your website form can now collect customer information and payment details in one smooth flow. From here, simply save your form. If it's already embedded on your website, the payment capability will appear where you place the element. After saving, it is a good idea to open the website page and check the form from a visitor's point of view, so you can make sure the layout looks clean and the payment section appears correctly. As a best practice, run a quick test transaction using your provider's test or sandbox tools. Verify the correct currency and receipt settings in your payment account and make sure your site uses HTTPS for a secure checkout experience. Also check that the confirmation message, thank you page, or follow-up automation works properly after the payment is submitted. That's it. Your GoHighLeve form can now accept payments directly on your website. From here, you can use this setup for paid bookings, service deposits, order forms, consultation fees, event payments, or any simple payment flow where you want customers to pay quickly and securely on your site.